So this is how you can get DramaBox gift codes. So it's actually quite simple in order to get these. What you're going to want to do is, as you can see, I'm already on the DramaBox website. So sometimes they're going to be dropping random giveaways at random times. Or maybe even they would announce a time that they're going to drop a giveaway, and then basically, all you're gonna have to do is just wait for that time and make sure that you're the first to ever claim that code. So, where do they drop these giveaways? Well, you can expect them on Twitter, Facebook, maybe even YouTube or Instagram. And basically, you're going to give out codes because sometimes these kinds of apps and websites do like to make giveaways for their users and their fans. So, yeah, the only thing that we can do right now, unless someone else gives you a code, is to wait and wait until they make a giveaway so that we can claim it ourselves. So by these social media platforms that I'm saying, I'm just gonna go on ahead and search it up. Drama Box, let's say Twitter. There you go. And as you can see, the first link that pops up is the Drama Box Twitter. You could also search their Facebook. Let's see if they have one. Facebook. And there you go. All you have to do is just follow these social media links in order to see if there is a giveaway happening. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The only thing you can do right now is look for the giveaways, make sure that you are attentive, and that you are followed with the notifications on. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, or let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.